on the rock. For the ninth Club Don Juan de Manila Derby, we have Carriedo fast to begin, moving up on the outside is the next big thing. Then 3 lengths further back in terms of Denny Song, alongside Rita Ravensky. Gastambide about 5 deep, then followed over by Run Prospector Run, Our Soul and Prayer third last. Yes, Pogies racing second last, alongside is D. San Diego, is the early trailer with an opening quarter of 24. And down the stretch for the first time. Now we have next big thing. Comes out with commanding break of 4. Jeff Sarate now tries to slow down the pressure. His next big thing, the early leader by about 4 lengths. And in second, we have Carriedo. Then another 3 lengths back into the Rita Rabensky. Down on the inside, Denny Song. 3 wide, Gastambide. Run, Prospector Run is racing in 6. Our Soul and Prayer still third last. Yes, Pogi is still in second last, and the San Diego is still bringing up the rear by about 20 lengths from back to front. 23.5 for the second quarter, and Willing down the back. Next big thing still out in front, dictating terms by 3. Carriedo remains in second. Denny Song now in third, moving upon the outside is Gastambide. In the middle portion, Run Prospector Run, Our Soul and Prayer. Then here comes Yes Pogi, now starting to wind up inside the last 500. 23.5 for the third quarter. Next big thing by about 3 for the Palek. Carriedo still in second. Gastambide, Denny Song is by the run. Yes, Pogi now moving up to take third. As they race the final home band, it's still next big thing, the one to catch up. Then here comes Yes Pogi making his move, switch for the lead on a dramatic finish. It's now Yes Pogi for the Club Don Juan de Manila Derby. Next big thing comes in second, then comes Gastambide or Carriedo and Denny Song.